NEET important MCQ question from the chapter Verbs. A speeding motorcyclist sees traffic jam ahead him. He slows down to 36 km per hour. He finds that traffic has eased and a car moving ahead of him at 18 km per hour is honking at a frequency of 1392 Hz. If the speed of sound is 343 meter per second, the frequency of the honk as heard by him will be option C 1412 Hz. Next question. The driver of a car traveling with the speed 30 meter per second towards a hill sound of a horn of frequency 600 Hz. If the velocity of sound in air is 330 meter per second, the frequency of reflected sound as heard by driver is option B sound 20 Hz. Next question. The time of reverberation of a room A in 1 second. What will be the time of reverberation of a room having all the dimensions double of those of room A? The answer is option A 2. Next question. A car is moving towards a high cliff. The car driver sounds a horn of frequency F. The reflected sound heard by the driver has a frequency 2F. If V be the velocity of sound, then the velocity of the car in the same velocity units will be option A V by 3. Next question. A whistle revolves in a circle with the angular speed omega equal to 20 radian per second using a string of length 50 centimeter. If the frequency of sound from the whistle is 385 Hz, then what is the minimum frequency heard by an observer which is far away from the center? The answer is 374 Hz. The next question. Two stationary sources each emitting waves of wavelength lambda. An observer moves from one source to other with velocity u. The number of beats heard by them. Option A 2u by lambda. Next question. If a source moves perpendicularly from listener, then the change in frequency will be option D 0. Next question. Two trains move towards each other with the same speed. The speed of sound is 340 meter per second. If the height of the tone of the whistle of one of them heard on the other changes to 9 by 8 times, then the speed of each train should be option A 20 meter per second.